Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're headed out to the Springfield Conservation Nature Center here in Missouri. We'll be hiking the trails, exploring the scenery, and just enjoying a great day outside. Let's go. We hope you enjoyed the video. Welcome to Terry Family Adventures, a channel that strives to explore the world and show our kids what beauty it holds. On our channel, we not only want to see everything we've dreamed of, but we want to share it with others also. If you enjoy our videos, we ask you to please like and subscribe so we can continue our journey.
Hi, buddy.
We are at the Springfield Conservation Nature Center and we are going to do the outer loop. We are going to start here on the boardwalk trail and make a loop. We'll probably come down here and just stay on the outside. The whole thing, cross right there, and come back on the Savannah Ridge Trail.
Which is a total of what? You think about 2.5, 3 miles?
2.5, probably 3 miles.
We're going to start on the boardwalk trail, which is blue, this way. Well, let's go. So we're not very far into this Nature Center trail on the via the boardwalk trail, the blue loop, but we're not very far in, and already a pretty cool little thing here. This like viewing area that overlooks this bluff out here. You can sit right here and enjoy listening to the birds and squirrels playing around, and it is really cool. Thumbs up. So we have come to our first trail split.
And we are gonna now connect to the Fox Bluff Trail this way.
This way. Let's go.
We have come to our next split.
And it's true, it's kind of not a split, but it is. But if you want to cut off a section, you can go this way. But this is that little loop that Maddie showed you in the beginning. So we're gonna go this way and do the bluff instead of cutting it off. So we're gonna go this way. It adds, I don't know, 0.2 miles, but we're gonna go this way. All right, guys, so we're only probably a little over a half a mile into this thing. I mean, it's only a little over 2 mile trail, but just wanted to say that there is no shortage of benches on this trail. So, I mean, it's a nice, relaxing gravel path, trail. So, I mean, it's very beautiful out here. I mean, there's no shortage of nature. Some of these benches overlook bluffs. Some of them overlook water. I mean, like I said, we're only a little over halfway, or half a mile in, but it's a very beautiful trail so far, but there is no shortages of benches to sit on, so you guys can relax and take a good, easy, nice stroll through the woods. Hey guys, look at this. This is awesome. This is cool. This is a cool little part of this trail. Very pretty through here. You just gotta watch your footing because these rocks are very slippery, very wet. Just got rain last night, but very pretty following this creek through here. So we are currently on the long trail, which is obviously by the name of it, the long trail, the longest portion, the longest trail on the system here at the Springfield Conservation Nature Center. But it's by far the prettiest. It's got way more features. You walk along this beautiful creek over here, and we got rain this morning, so that makes it even better. The noise and the waterfalls are all just flowing, but it is very beautiful on this trail. So if you guys come out here and come out here to enjoy the Springfield Conservation Nature Center, you got to do the long loop, because, or at least go to the long trail, because it is, so far it is not disappointing. It's beautiful out here and we are really enjoying it. And see, yet again, I mean, something super cool. I mean, it's super simple, but super cool. This boardwalk here, I mean, and this water right here. I mean, it's the little things on trails that just tickle me. I mean, I'm really enjoying this area down in here by Springfield, Missouri. This is a really nice trail. It's just a little over 2 miles. I think we added a couple loops onto it, so it's probably going to be around 2.5 miles by the end of it. But this is really enjoyable. I mean, look out here. Look at that. Lily pads, and I mean, it's just peaceful. Birds chirping. It's just good to be in nature. Archer, I love you. Archer, I love you. I love you too. All right, guys, so it's just a 1/10 of a mile, but we're here, so why not check it out? We're gonna head to the photo blind, which we're gonna take a right and head out here. 1/10 of a mile there, 1/10 of a mile back. Well, let's go. All right, guys, we made it to the photo blind. It's literally a blind. I guess, I don't know if it's like for bird watching or what it is. Let's go peek through a hole. We're gonna peek through, let's peek through the top one. What kind of views you got? Pretty good, I'd say, don't you? That's cool. But on a serious note, guys, by this trail, it don't look like people come out here much, but this is kind of interesting. So, if you guys know, if you're watching this video and you know what this is for, on a serious note, if it's not bird watching, I don't know, but if you know, will you shoot in a comment, please? And thanks. Guys, no way. This trail has even got a suspension bridge.
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. This trail's got it all. You guys gotta come. If you're in Springfield, Missouri, you guys gotta come enjoy this. This is awesome. All right, guys, just like that, we are done with this Springfield Conservation Nature Center trail system. Perfect. I'd say that one 10 times fast. But it was very beautiful. I would definitely recommend this hike. If you're anywhere in the Springfield area or passing through, you know, whatever, I would recommend this. I give this for Missouri and for the landscape and for being right here in the city, I'd give this a 9 out of 10 for sure. It's got everything. It's well maintained. It's got bridges over water. It's got creeks and little waterfalls, not big ones, little waterfalls, but
it's not hard. It has a little bit of elevation gain, but it's not hard. Like you said, very well maintained gravel paths, bridges, water.
You know, it even had these elevated boardwalks with swampy areas underneath it. And if you guys follow us or watch our videos, we just got back from Louisiana on one of our vacation down in there,
It got back the feel.
It got back the swampy vibe. We were looking for crocodiles or alligators. I mean, not crocodiles, alligators. But
we highly recommend coming and doing this trail if you have a chance.
Very much so. And if you haven't yet, will you please like and subscribe? It really helps the channel, really helps us get our kids out. We love taking you guys along with us. And remember,
a family that adventures together stays together.
Peace.